Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I brought something very important, right? Something that will literally change your life if you follow this update like the way I'm going to give you right now. What if I told you that you can earn TAO just by creating content on X? This is not a joke. Here is exactly how it works. TAO is already trading at 366 USDT, and now inspect.xyz has launched Substrike, the first permissionless TAO mining pool powered by your engagement on X. So if you have X account, all you need to connect your X account and start earning TAO. TAO is already trading on Binance around 300 and something USDT, right? So as you can see, to start mining TAO in minutes is just by connecting your wallet. Simple, connect your wallet and start earning. Guys, if you know that you missed Kai, which is KAI, don't miss this TAO. TAO has brought opportunity for us now to start mining. Add your ETH wallet, Ethereum wallet, confirm it, and that's all. Connect your X account and you start mining by posting your own content, right? What makes it special? Every like, reply, repost, and reach subscribes point to you. Point auto conversion into TAO rewards. More engagement, more TAO mine. Real-time leaderboard for rank and rewards. Fully on-chain, automated and permissionless. Guys, why it matters for you to start mining is zero upfront cost. You don't need anything to start. Currently, when I reach this video, 18,000 people have already joined, but right now we have 64,000 people that are already mining this TAO, right? This coin is already listed on Binance, right? Your engagement literally equals to money. Pro tip about TAO: focus on quality content and meaningful replies. High signal content earns higher rewards. No entry barriers, automated payout, your second chance if you missed Kai. So if you know that you missed Kai, make sure you join this automatically by connecting your own X account.